and namaste. Welcome to Thoughts and More, a space where we learn about life and lifestyles and we all grow together. So Mama, what are we going to do today?
Well, we are going to do an easy peasy art activity today. We are going to make bookmarks. Well, you must be wondering. So what is new about the bookmarks, right? We all know about how to make bookmarks. This one is a special one because we are going to use or we are upcycling and leveraging something special. So we are making bookmarks using pistachio shells. This is the idea that Prisha came up on her own.
Yeah.
Yes,
Me.
good job Prisha.
Thank you. I invented it.
Yes, you invented it. So today let's learn to make an easy peasy bookmarker using the pistachio shells. So Prisha, do you want to explain what all materials we need?
Yes.
Okay.
So obviously you're going to need pistachio shells.
Keep saving those pistachio shells.
Yep. You're going to need some nail polish.
Okay, some nail paints.
We have a lot. You're gonna need some glue, either clear or the normal one works. And make sure they're glue bottles.
So not the glue sticks.
Yeah, make sure that it's the liquids.
Okay.
And you're going to need paper clips. Try using the bigger ones because they're easier to do with, and they just fit the pistachio shape.
Okay.
So that's and you need a mat too. It's an important rule.
Yes.
So that's all you need to make this. It's really simple.
Okay. Do you want to explain what we do first?
Yes. So the first thing you do is get a pistachio. So I have mine right here.
Okay.
So I'm going to choose a color that I want to paint it. So I'm painting it pink.
Okay.
So I'm just going to paint this pink with the nail polish. Ooh, this pink's pretty.
I like that pink.
Yeah.
And while Prisha is doing, let me try to show you how this looks like. So this is how it looks like.
And when we
It looks very pretty and very functional.
Yeah. When we get to the part for the paper clip, there's an important way to put that. So I will tell that.
Okay. So while Prisha is doing that one, just so that we can show you, she has already painted. You have to let it dry for a little bit, right?
Yep.
How long we need to let it dry?
Until there's not really a certain time because this one, some of my nail polish dry way faster.
So it all depends on your nail paint, how fast it dries up. But this one Prisha has already painted and kept it ready to show you guys how to glue it, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So that one I had painted orange. And what you're going to do is you're going to get a paper clip.
Okay.
And you see the side where it's like where you would normally put it in? So that is where you have to put the glue.
So on
right
the
there.
opposite side, right? Yeah.
So where this is, you put it on the top right there.
Perfect. Okay.
So I'm going to put the glue, and I'm using the normal glue, but it doesn't matter which one you use.
So Prishu, is it like we should put the glue on the paper pin rather than the pistachio shell?
So I like to do both because it secures it more.
Okay, that's a good idea.
So I put it on the top, the bottom, and I fill it inside.
Okay, so you are putting on the...
And some of the sides.
Okay. So what Prisha has done is she has put the glue on the paper pin too, or the loop of the paper pin, and now she is putting it on the shell, like on the edges of the shell as well as on the... She's filling it up too, right?
So this is how it looks like. There's glue in it. I don't really want to do it. But the top part of the pistachio is where you're going to put when you put it in, the glue part, you put it right at the top.
Okay. So what Prisha is trying to explain here is that if you look at the pistachio shell, there is a base portion and then there is a pointy top portion. So when you stick your pistachio shell on the U-loop of your paper pin, make sure to put the pointed part on the top portion of the paper clip, right?
Yep.
And then what do?
You just I want to show you this. So the way you do it is you put your paper clip like not on the top edge. You put it like under it.
Yeah.
So like right under the edge part, you put your paper clip in it.
And that's about it, right?
Yep. And then you just let it dry for how long it takes. I actually don't know because I made them at night and I fell asleep. So I woke
And in
up
the morning
early.
it's
Dry. So yeah.
and ready to use.
And they're really easy. So because I use them for my school stuff all the time, and they're really helpful. They don't break.
So Prisha uses it in her agenda books and
Her normal reading book. Oh, her.
the normal books,
Yeah.
novels and everything. Well, just like the way we made these bookmarks, I hope you guys enjoyed learning this art activity, and do share the pictures of when you do this art activity. Now, the way we made the bookmark, please ensure to subscribe our channel, kind of bookmark it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, and I have one more thing. When you're doing it, I also learned not to pull it that far because it's going to break it.
Mm-hmm.
So just push it a little bit. It's not that hard. It doesn't take that much to put it in. So just
Right.
push it a little bit.
Oh, that's good tips and tricks you shared, Prisha.
Thank
That's
you.
good. You shared your learnings.
Yes.
So hope these tips and tricks will help you guys too.
So make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends and family. Hit the bell for more post notifications, and comment down what other videos you'd like to see.
Hope to meet until we meet again. May peace be with us all.
Om Shanti.